When users say the network seems slow, it's often due to high bandwidth consumption and overutilized WAN links. But where do you start? How quickly can you locate and resolve a bandwidth problem? dopplerVUE takes a top-down approach to network management, so you can quickly drill down and identify bandwidth and device problems. You can find your top bandwidth consumers and any overutilized device interfaces. Then, drill down and view interface details, such as availability and throughput. Analyze traffic flow sources and destinations with built-in net flow statistics. And create custom dashboards that integrate ICMP, SNMP, NetFlow, IPSLA, and WMI data to provide unique views of your network. When it comes to managing bandwidth, the Bandwidth Usage Finder is the most powerful tool in dopplerVUE. Need to find your top bandwidth users? Just sort by current bytes received or transmitted. Need to find overutilized interfaces? Simply sort by average received percent or average transmitted percent. Need to dig a little deeper? Click an interface to see its details. At a glance, you can easily see the interface's current availability and alarm status, plus historical data for bandwidth utilization and availability. The utilization chart helps you baseline the interface by tracking current as well as minimum, average, and maximum utilization as a percentage of the interface's speed or capacity. Want to see whether an interface was overutilized earlier in the day? Simply select a 6-hour benchmark period and then compare the maximum utilization to the current and average utilization. Also, comparing the current and baseline throughput, traffic, and packet metrics lets you evaluate bandwidth performance at the bit and packet level. When troubleshooting a problem, tracing symptoms along a network path can be extremely helpful. The Interface Details view includes parent and connected to links, so you can jump to the detailed views for the parent device and the connected interface. In addition to interface metrics, the Interface Details view displays all current alarms for the interface. Alarms alert you to interface events such as metric thresholds and SNMP traps. Click the Rules tab to see all rules that apply to the interface. Rules determine what action to take whenever an interface event occurs. Possible actions include alarms, email notifications, and more. Looking for a deeper view inside network traffic? If you have NetFlow enabled on your routers and switches, you can find out what applications are chewing up bandwidth and better understand resource allocation. The top 10 source and destination chart, for example, displays bandwidth statistics for the top 10 IP conversations flowing through the monitored router. Clicking any bar displays the IP addresses for the source and destination points, so you know who's producing and consuming bandwidth. Often, you'll want to collect and analyze NetFlow statistics from several points across the network to help balance flows and plan for capacity improvements. dopplerVUE's powerful NetFlow reports show detailed flow information for applications and services, source-destination conversations, and device interfaces. Since NetFlow is built right into dopplerVUE, there's no extra cost for add-on modules or collectors as with other products. And dopplerVUE doesn't limit you to built-in views like the Interface Details view. You can create custom dashboards that reflect bandwidth usage across remote sites, or LAN or WAN-centered views, or monitor a service like email or voice over IP. Also, Ops Center, which displays a top-side view of your overall network health, includes a bandwidth utilization chart that displays aggregate traffic flow for up to 5 key interfaces. Using this chart to monitor your T1 or other WAN connections can alert you to possible bandwidth problems along with other network-level events. As you can see, with dopplerVUE, managing bandwidth is easy. You can find your top bandwidth consumers in the network, then drill down and view device and interface details, or analyze traffic flow with built-in NetFlow statistics, and create custom dashboards tailored for your network.